whiskey.
Okay, so guys, we're having a peanut butter whiskey shot, right?
Just like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It smells really good. Wow. It's like peanut butter.
It's really good.
Yeah, he's had it before. I've never had it.
Yeah, I had it already.
Yeah.
Right?
It's very fall-like. That is amazing. It has an amazing, it almost tastes like coffee.
Like what?
Coffee.
That's good.
Right?
That's good.
I know you had it before, but you taste the coffee?
Yeah.
Right.
You taste the peanut butter, right?
Right. Definitely tastes the peanut butter, but it also has like a coffee taste.
Put up on that, man.
I think we're going to order some cheesecake. We've been up on cheesecake lately.
The late night dessert drink type of night.
Yeah.
Was at home chilling. And we hot belt went and grabbed some. We came down the street. We're only 5 minutes from the house. We came and grabbed some. Let's do some cheesecake.
I love your eyeshadow.
Do you want to do caramel syrup or have raspberry?
Caramel.
I ain't gonna talk too much because I don't want to say nothing wrong. She fuss at me after every video. She fuss at me. She said I cuss too much, so I'm gonna just shut up.
Yes. Oh no, you're fine. I think we're good. We're good right
You wanna stay right here?
Yeah.
So we had a versus battle. We was playing like old records, right? It's like old R&B, not necessarily old, but like early '90s type. And I killed. I killed. It was really bad. I felt bad for her. She a couple years younger than me, and I was trying to tell her that she couldn't hang with me because I'm just too soulful of a guy, man. I'm a soulful dude. The type of music I was playing was like, come on, man. Too good at that.
I'm just gonna be quiet. We have the same interest in music.
We like a lot of stuff.
Yeah. So
She got good taste in music. One thing I like, that's why I married her, because she had good taste in music.
oh yeah.
And she was fine too. Amongst other things I can't say on here, but you know, hey, she's a good mother. I think she loves me sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes he's doing some crazy shit. I'm like,
Oh, so let me tell y'all. So I got Travis the Jay-Z Blueprint album on vinyl for our 11th year anniversary because when we first met, he told me he wanted the Blueprint album or CD back then.
Blueprint 1, that's my favorite Jay-Z album, Blueprint 1.
Right.
I know most people like Reasonable Doubt. I love Reasonable Doubt. But Blueprint 1 to me is his best body of work. That's my favorite Jay-Z album. And by anniversary, she got me the Blueprint 1 on vinyl. That was super dope.
When we first met, he wanted the Blueprint 1 on CD.
That's when CDs was popping
Right.
when I first met her.
And I was like, I got that. It was bootleg.
That shit was bootleg as hell. That shit was like, the case had all the songs written out on it. I was like, this ain't no goddamn Blueprint. Goddamn bootleg shit, girl.
But I guess what I gave him. And fast forward 17 years later, really. But
Yeah, it was like 17.
right.
That shit worked though, yeah. You know what you're talking about. Good cheesecake.
Great.
It's good.
Yes.
Can I get 6 jerk wings?
6 jerk wings? Yeah.
Really good. I like that. You got a request made on the telephone song? You want to go to 411? What's that flip? This shit no manager.
Cheesecake.
It's really good, yes. What you laughing at? What you laughing at, man? What you laughing at, man? Wait, what you laughing at? Baby, what are you laughing at? You still got the damn tickle, what you laughing at, man? I can't tell. No? I can't tell. Why? I know.
It took over her set. But sang really ugly. Alright, what is it? Like sex and chocolate?
Gotta be great.
No.
Come on, huh? Don't see I sing. I can really sing. So I'm gonna go and ask the guitar player.
No.
Can she play a song and Ivy sing? Y'all wanna hear how I sing live on the mic?
No, listen.
You too shy?
Yeah, I'm
These
not.
people here don't even know you.
No.
Come on, man. She thugging it out tonight, right? I knew she was a thug when I met her. She had a scarf on. You know what I'm saying?
Really did that?
Yeah. Y'all feel me, right? Go ahead, man. I ain't even on. I can't see his face.
You ain't even.
I can't even watch it. What's this song?
Sing Bruno Mars.
She got Bruno. My wife like Bruno Mars.
Wait,
so.
you asked her to play to her kill?
She know Bruno, so you like Bruno Mars, right? She about to kill that shit. What do you think? She gonna fuck that shit. Okay, she killing it. Coronavirus. Do that shit in public, phone. Coronavirus. You can't cough in public.
I can't help it.
No. You go to the car, bro. Imagine she know Lil Wayne how to
Wait,
love.
when you let the girl, she's taking a break. You have a beautiful voice, by the way. Thank you. Beautiful. Yes, that's so, oh my God. I'm so proud of you.
I was just about to ask.
We bang.
Amazing.
Good.
Can I get a glass of ice water?
Me too, please. I gotta tell y'all a secret.
Oh God.
I met Ivy. First thing I did was got pregnant and traveled. To make sure I got a hold on to myself.
You're fine. That wing is a palm. When you eat the last wing?
Jamaican words, nah. Remember that movie they said we'll eat the last one here and I love you and shit. What that movie was?
Brothers.
Brothers, I ain't in that shit.
Trap.
You set my ass up.
I said we're gonna do it together.
Oh,
I do it by myself. Cheers.
but cheers.
No. Yes.
Like, it literally tastes like a spoon of peanut butter. I don't know if it's popular or not, but if y'all live in the bar, it has some peanut butter whiskey.
I gotta eat this wing in peace. So I don't like you looking at me like that. Never been here.
Huh?
Lillian.
She never been?
I don't know. I wonder if she has.
Nah, this shit good. Got our neighbor, she know at all the great food restaurants.
Yes, Lillian, if you're watching, girl, comment. Let me know if you've been here. If you haven't, you have to come.
She know all the good restaurants at it. And if y'all ever come to Charlotte to the Louis Vuitton store, she's the dopest person in there. So make
Associate.
sure y'all ask for Lillian. The wings good, ain't it?
It's a macaron.
The macaroni we have wings in, bar food.